Tell me. Next, what we're discussing? Cone sphere. Cone in sphere also half of the sum, previous sum only. Yes or no? Some of values, some values are common for all these three questions. What are the values? H dash is equal to minus 2h by r. One hidden equation will be there. You have to find. And capital things for constant things, small things for small things. All these rules carry for all the three questions. Okay, na? Simple draw diagram first. This is your diagram. In cone also, hidden equation is there in this right angle triangle only, Pythagoras theorem only. Clear? What you have to prove first? Capital R is equal to 4 small r by 3 you have to prove. Correct? And radius of sphere is 4 by 3 times radius of cone you have to prove finally. Okay, na? So this is capital R. The problem in cone is total is h. Total height is h. How can you get this side? I want this side only. Why? Because I want to apply Pythagoras theorem. This is smaller. What is this side? See, very good, very good. Capital R is this radius. Yes or no? So total height is h, and in that this part is capital R. Yes or no? Because from center to the end of the sphere. So obviously that is capital R. So this is h minus capital R. Correct? What is your first equation? H minus capital R whole square plus small r square is equal to capital R square is your first equation. Clear? And very important thing is either remember this or remember the logic so that in exam you can do. Okay, na? But any one thing you have to do. In previous question also, I don't think remembering this is a good idea. Why? You'll forget obviously because they are so complicated. Yes or no? Remembering idea is easy because in exam anyway you will you have to draw diagram. Writing this is by seeing writing this is very easy step only, no? So don't remember these things. Remember ideas because if you remember these things, if you forgot ideas, katham in exam also nobody can help you. Okay, now if you remember ideas, you are independent. You can create this in exam. That's what I am telling. See, second equation directly I am writing h dash is equal to minus 2h by r. Any doubts are there in second equation? Yeah, right. Many times we discussed why this is happening. Without seeing what diagram also, you have to write second equation is h dash is minus 2h by r. Correct or not? Because always cone or cylinder's volume is only minimum or maximum. Correct? So h dash equal to minus 2h by r. Wherever I got h dash, I'll substitute. Start telling. Help me. What to do? 2 into h minus r into h dash plus 4. Can I remove 2? I want to remove 2. Why? Because anyway that's 0 only. Next tell me h dash equal to how much? Minus 2h by smaller into this is equal to 0. Next what is happening? R you do LCM and R that side minus 2h square. Mm, very good. By R is equal to 0. By R sending that side is equal to 0 finally. No 2. Correct. R square equal to 0. Next what to do? Again. Minus you want to take common. Without taking minus common also think no problem. Okay. Na? See in this question you are stuck here. Correct? Because you are stuck with capital R. That is the problem in this question. Understood? What is difference between cone in sphere question and other two questions is in other questions capital R thing will not come afterwards. Okay, now in other question maybe one quadratic equation will come, but only here smaller came na it's different question. Let us say this is smaller. Let us say this is smaller. Then they'll ask you what is h by r. Correct? Then you have to treat this as quadratic equation. Remember quadratic equation question? But here capital R is there. Here capital R is there. What to do? Yes, you have to solve these two equations. Okay, now This equation expand and tell properly. Expand and tell. H square minus capital R plus small r square plus capital R square is equal to capital R square plus 0. Understood why I wrote directly? Capital R square is gone. Actually, if you spend time here, you will get this equation. Next, what I have to do, Ram? You have to add these two equations. Why you have to add these two equations? Actually, you can add or subtract. Anything is fine. What you have to do? What you did? Tell me. Addition, yeah. If you add things, what is happening? Tell me if you add things, what is happening? That's what that's what adding means. Tell me. Uh, Minus h square is equal to plus 2r square is equal to 0. Okay, now again h is equal to r root only came up. What is the relation you want to find? Capital R is equal to 4 small r by 3. For that, what we have to do? Okay, listen carefully. Here, if you add them, what will happen? H and smaller relation will come. H and smaller relation is not important here. It will become complicated. Yes or no? So instead of adding, what we have to do? We have to subtract and eliminate r square. That is the best thing to do. Tell me. This minus this if I do, minus will come. This will become plus. Minus 3h square plus 4h capital R is equal to 0. Now happy. Why? HR relation is there, na little peaceful, it will be calculation. Tell me. 3h square is equal to 4h capital R. H is equal to 4 capital R by 3. Actually, this they can ask. Anything they can ask. Okay, na? In these three questions, whatever they want, they can ask. But this thing is final. So they can ask H and capital relation. They can ask R and smaller relation. They can ask H and smaller relation also. Okay, now these three are not different questions. Everything is same question only. Last two or three steps will be different. That's all, nothing else. So don't think in 3D. Something is inscribed in something. There are many questions. There are only three questions actually. Okay, na? So 4 equal to capital R by 3. If you substitute here in this equation, what will happen? Here we'll substitute 4r by 3 minus capital R whole square plus small r is equal to small r square equal to capital R square. Next, tell me 4r by 3 minus r by 3 whole square, that is r square by 9 plus small r square is equal to capital R square. Correct? Next, what will happen? R square minus r square by 9. What they are asking is correct only. Yeah? Okay. Miscellaneous question. Huh? See, capital R is equal to h is equal to 4r by 3. Might be one question. H is equal to 4 capital R by 3 is one question. Next, one more question we are going to find now. Okay, now this is 8 r square by 9. 8 r square by 9 is equal to small r square. If you send root that side, what will happen? Oh, they are asking this one. Yeah. Okay. What we wrote is wrong then. 4 small r by 3 is wrong. They are asking this, or they can ask this relation also. If they asked what to do, substitute that in this equation. Okay, now mostly this part of the question no need actually. Mostly they won't. They will ask that only because in textbook what they give mostly that only they will ask. H is equal to 4 capital R by 3 only they will ask. Okay, now what we wrote at the start of the question is wrong relation then. Okay, now question clear? Katam? Any doubt? Na take screenshot.